How much does Acorns charge to withdraw? Hey there, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Acorns, a popular investing app that allows you to automatically invest small amounts of money from your bank account. I've been using Acorns for a while now, and I've found it to be a great way to save money for the future. However, one thing that I've always wondered is how much does Acorns charge to withdraw? In this video, I'm going to answer that question for you, as well as provide you with some other important information about Acorns withdrawal fees. So, let's get started. What is Acorns? Before we get into the details of Acorns withdrawal fees, let's take a quick look at what Acorns is. Acorns is an investing app that allows you to automatically invest small amounts of money from your bank account. The app rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the difference. For example, if you spend $10.50 at the grocery store, Acorns will round up to $11 and invest the extra 50 cents. Acorns also offers a number of other features, such as the ability to set investment goals, the ability to invest in a variety of different assets, including stocks, bonds, and ETFs, the ability to get advice from financial advisors. How much does Acorns charge to withdraw? Acorns charges a withdrawal fee of $3 for each withdrawal. This fee is charged regardless of the amount of money that you withdraw. In addition to the withdrawal fee, Acorns also charges a 50 cents fee for each transfer to or from your bank account. When are Acorns withdrawal fees charged? Acorns withdrawal fees are charged when you withdraw money from your Acorns account, transfer money from your Acorns account to your bank account. How to avoid Acorns withdrawal fees? There are a few ways to avoid Acorns withdrawal fees. Don't withdraw money from your Acorns account. If you can avoid withdrawing money from your Acorns account, you won't be charged any withdrawal fees. Use the Acorns debit card. Acorns offers a debit card that you can use to make purchases. When you use your Acorns debit card, you won't be charged any withdrawal fees. Transfer money to your Acorns account instead of withdrawing it. If you need to access your money, you can transfer it to your bank account instead of withdrawing it. This will avoid the $3 withdrawal fee. Other things to consider about Acorns withdrawal fees. Acorns withdrawal fees are relatively low compared to other investing apps. Acorns offers a number of ways to avoid withdrawal fees. If you're planning on withdrawing a large amount of money from your Acorns account, it's important to factor in the withdrawal fee. Conclusion. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any other questions about Acorns withdrawal fees, please feel free to leave a comment below. Additional tips. If you're on a tight budget, you may want to consider using a different investing app that doesn't charge withdrawal fees. If you're planning on using Acorns for a long time, the withdrawal fees may not be a big deal. You can find more information about Acorns withdrawal fees on their website. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more financial tips. I'll see you next time.